showing the Hoover Legacy. This is the 7th Advent video, so that means it's the 7th day. So, yeah, we're going to vacuum with this little guy. But before we do any vacuuming, you should subscribe to the channel. That's something that you probably should do. Really would make me happy. And you're probably wondering, why does this vacuum have a hose? Well, because right here, there's a hose compartment where you can put your hose in here, just like that. Vacuum's a little bit old, so it's a little bit difficult to get in there, but I got it. So, I'm going to vacuum the outer part of the ring, and then I'm going to vacuum up with the head this. So, the on switch is in a funny place in back here. So, here we go. Oh, I figured it out. So I vacuumed the outer ring. Now let's take out this guy. So you don't have to tell it to that you're doing this. Like, you don't have to tell it that you're going to be vacuuming with the tools. You don't have to tell it that, so that's pretty cool. It's just going to come down like that, and it's just going to lay like that. So it's going to come right there. So now we're going to vacuum like this. So ready, set. So, you're probably wondering, this thing has to have attachments and stuff. Before you do anything on your vacuums, any maintenance or anything, make sure you unplug your vacuum. So, you have your crevice tool. Again, crevices, so a bit chewed up. Dogs like to chew up crevices, so. You also have a little dusting brush. You have your hose. You have wands. The second one, you have to do that. And you have to pull it towards you. And that will come in. And you just slide back in there like that. I don't know if I like that much, but that's how this vacuum was made. So, to put your attachments back in, just slide that one there. And then you're going to take this one, slide it right there. And that's all your attachments on this little machine. And how you take out your bag, just do this. And then it's a little bit dirty, which should be cleaned later. I'll get that. These are type A bags. Slide that back on. Make sure that the bag's all the way to the lips. Like you see here, it's not all the way in. Pull that back out. Put that in like that. That's what you want to see right there. You want to see all that. It's how the vacuum's made. So don't be alarmed or anything, you'll be fine. Vacuum just goes like that. And there you go. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Or I should say, the next Advent video, which is the 8th. Bye for now.